Hello. So for my web application, I chose Hypothesis.is, which is all about adding annotations to any sort of text that you can have online. That can be a web page, that can be a PDF, or that could be any kind of document that can be online. So you can do it with anybody with anywhere, so your students can engage and do this beforehand. A few things is it's an open community project, mission driven, built on an open platform and part of a global community. The price of this all is free. So to get it, you just hit get started and you'll create an account. After you create an account, you get a Chrome extension that will go up into your extensions, and then you can start annotating any page or PDF in browser. So I think this is really good for education because on the site it has so many resources to use regarding education. So not only does it tell you ways you can use it, it gives you resources from other people on how to annotate for specific subjects, examples of classroom use, which I will open here real quickly. So here you kind of see how it's happening. You have a scientific article and you can highlight it and add text to the side, as you'll see in a second. That can be public or private. So these are some examples of the annotation. So you'll get started by installing the Chrome extension, and then you can look at some recently annotated documents. So this was on Cat Academy, a scientific source, where somebody put in public, oil and natural gas are doing while coal was powering the Industrial Revolution. And somebody has a question: was oil and natural gas the only things they were using to power during the Industrial Revolution? So other students from class can contribute to that, mark that if they also have that same question, and the teacher can go in and address these concerns specifically. So this is a great tool for seeing what students are thinking, getting them to interact during a lesson or before on some reading, and for a teacher to go in and address misconceptions and things that students highlight as high points. So I have this downloaded. I just have the video page here. So I was getting some drivers so I could run my mic through my computer. And so I highlighted here and I added in public, I like it over here. So from here, you can choose to edit, you can reply to this comment, or I can share this with a specific person, which would be great for sharing with your teacher. I think this is overall a great tool and highly would recommend that you use it in your classrooms, especially since it is free and you can have more connectivity with your students.